Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening and welcome to San Francisco. Local time is 8:43. We won't be taxiing for the next few minutes. We ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until this aircraft has come to a full and complete stop. The captain has turned out the fasten seatbelt sign for you. There will be an occasion it is safe for you to get out and move around the cabin, collect all of your items, may have brought on board with you. Also, please use extreme caution when opening the overhead bins as your things may have shifted during our flight this evening. And as a reminder, please refrain from smoking at all times as you are within the terminal building at a smoking designated area. We will be using the second door on the left-hand side for disembarking. Please watch your step. As you step up to the jetway, there will be a slight floor level change. For our wheelchair passengers, and there's quite a few this evening, we kindly ask you to please remain comfortably seated until the majority of our passengers have disembarked. Then slowly make your way over to the door area. We'll take a few minutes for the chairs to get to the aircraft, and at that time, we will be able to assist you. Passengers with items like car seats and strollers, also once you disembark, please step onto the far left-hand side of the jetway. We'll take about 5 to 10 minutes for your item to be brought upstairs. Once our doors open, our ground agent will make an announcement on your baggage carousel this evening. On behalf of Hawaiian Airlines, the special flight crew this evening, it's been our pleasure having you on board today. And until we meet again, we bid you fondest, aloha, mahalo, ahui ho, and Happy New Year.